Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew beef tender. First, selecting the right cut is crucial. Opt for chuck roast or short ribs. Next, searing the beef in a hot pan before adding liquid creates a delicious crust and deepens the flavor profile. Finally, remember that low heat and extended cooking times are your best friends for achieving that melt-in-your-mouth texture. To truly maximize tenderness, consider marinating your beef in an acidic liquid for at least a few hours. This helps break down tough fibers. When braising, ensure the beef is mostly submerged in your cooking liquid, whether it's broth, wine, or water. Continue cooking on low heat until the meat is incredibly tender and easily shreds with a fork, typically 2 to 3 hours. A common mistake is rushing the cooking process. Stew beef needs time to become tender, so resist the urge to crank up the heat. High temperatures can actually toughen the meat, making it dry and chewy. Also, always ensure your beef remains adequately covered with liquid throughout the cooking time to prevent it from drying out and becoming stringy. Patience is key here. Beyond tenderness, enhancing flavor is simple. Incorporate aromatic vegetables like onions, carrots, and celery at the beginning of your cook. Fresh herbs such as thyme, bay leaves, and a good pinch of black pepper will also deepen the taste profile significantly. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.